Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you, sir?
I'm great. I'm feeling good.
We are told that you are the Minister of Education.
Oh, yeah. I'm the Minister of Education in the Republic of Mabvurukutu. Yeah.
We understand that last year you had the best results.
Indeed, that's quite true. Last year we had the best results ever. We worked very well as a ministry. Our teachers worked very well. I would like to take this opportunity to thank them. You know, everything was controlled tightly, you know. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, sir. If I can get into your private life.
Whoa.
How many children do you have?
I've got 5 children.
5 children?
Yeah.
Are they all still learning?
Oh, yes, they are learning. They are all learning overseas.
Overseas?
Yeah. I've been very lucky.
Overseas?
Yeah.
It seems that you are not trusting your educational system. Why are your children not learning in Mabvurukutu?
Hey, listen. Don't ask me questions. Go fuck yourself. Bantu.